Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering with a special edition of from freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst host of the GrokStar Trading Room and maybe your future mentor. Well, here's a trade that we had this morning on TNA. But the reason it's special is I want to show you why I was in this trade and what I used to help me stay in this trade. This is the RUT, the Russell's 2000, which is small cap stocks. This is TNA, which is the 3X bullish small cap stocks ETF. So if this goes up 1% over here, this should go up theoretically 3%. And look how bullish it had been since opening. Boom here and boom over here, right? So what was it forming? That was forming a bull flag. If you want to know what a bull flag is, you can go to our free chart school at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Right there's a button for a free chart school. Go to bull flag. There's a written description of it. And for you visual people out there, here is a picture where it ran up here like a flagpole. It's now consolidating on the way back. This is a bullish formation. So guess what? Both the broad market was doing that in the index, and so was this ETF. So I said set an order just above this breakout area here. If the market goes that way, so should the ETF, and we should be long. So let's see what happened with the, first of all, it's broad market. Is it going to break out or not? Broad market broke out. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. And what happened over here? Boom, boom. And I'm in at $54 even. I'm long TNA. All right, let's see how TNA goes here. It goes up in high basis for a little while, pulls back to what? This is the R2 resistance line of the pivots, and it came back here. This held as a support area, and I'm moving my stop up here. I'm now in the money, and let's see what happened. Oh, let's catch up to time here. It went up, and it's now high basing there. So this is we're now at about the same time frame. Let's see what happened to the general market. And boom, it took off. And what happened over here? Boom, it took off, and now it came up here. Now what I decided to do is I was getting so extended here in this run that I split my trade in half, and I put one stop below the 8 EMA and the stop for the other half below the 20 moving average, because all of my internal indicators are pointing straight up. And so when it broke this, I went ahead and I took half at $54.81 for 1.5%. I still have half on below the 20 moving average here. Let's see what happened. And okay, it bounced back. It looked like it's going to go to a new high of day. But now my 20 moving average has moved all the way up to here, and then it popped below right there and got me out at $54.80 on that film, also for 1.5%. And let's go over to the general market just to match up time here, just after 11 o'clock. And sure enough, it came and it did drop below right there. Alrighty, so I used the small cap index to help me with a small cap 3x leveraged bullish ETF. And for this total trade, getting in here on the breakout of this bull flag, and then stopping out half here and the other half below the 20 for 1.5% in 55 minutes. So sometimes on trades, when all the internals are pointing northward or bullish, this is how you can use the advantage of using a 3-to-1 leveraged ETF to get the most out of the trade. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffering, and this will be the last video until next Tuesday. It is a holiday weekend, plus my daughter's getting married, so giving away the bride on Saturday. Y'all trade well, trade safe, and we'll see you Tuesday.